and gentlemen, the procession of graduates into the hall.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yang berbahagia Tan Sri Dato Dr. R. Palen, Pro-Chancellor, University of Cyberjaya. Yang berbahagia General Tan Sri Dato Seri Muhammad Shahrum bin Dato Haji Nordin, Chairman, Board of Directors, Cyberjaya Education Group, Rahat. Yang berbahagia Profesor Tan Sri Dato Dr. Muhammad Amin Jalaluddin, Chairman, Board of Governors, University of Cyberjaya. Yang berusaha Profesor Dr. Zabidi Hussein, Vice Chancellor, University of Cyberjaya. Yang berbahagia Profesor Dato Dr. Husaini Omar, former Director General of Higher Education, Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia, and the current Chairman, Board of Directors, University Technical Malaysia, Melaka. Yang berusaha Profesor Dr. Muhammad Salmi Muhammad Sohod, Chairman, Board of Directors, University Malaysia Terengganu, University of Cyberjaya Board of Directors, Board of Governors, members of the University Senate, Professor, Associate Professor, Lecturer, Honorary Professor, and Adjunct Professor recipient, Tan Sri, Puan Sri, Dato, Datin, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera and a warm greetings to all. I'm deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today as I accept the appointment as the Chancellor of the University of Cyberjaya. It is indeed a privilege and a tremendous responsibility that I accept with both gratitude and enthusiasm. Although I formally accepted this role in October and I have already spoken to a smaller crowd on this campus then, I would like to once again record my deepest gratitude to the Pro-Chancellor, the Vice-Chancellor, as well as the Board of Governors for entrusting me with this significant role. It is a momentous day, not only for this institution, but also one that I will certainly cherish for the rest of my life. Universities are not just centers of education. They are quadrants of knowledge, innovation, and progress. The University of Cyberjaya, with its commitments to excellence and forward-thinking approach to education, is the epitome of these ideals. I am impressed by the university's relentless pursuit of academic and research excellence and its strong focus on developing future leaders who can create a positive impact on society. I am truly proud to be part of the university's Convocation Ceremony this year. As someone who has attended numerous such ceremonies in the past, this is first ever as a Chancellor of a university, which undoubtedly makes it special. I'm sure it is the same for all of the graduates here today who have worked hard for years for all of it to culminate to this day, where your efforts and dedication are finally celebrated together with your peers and your loved ones. I'm especially looking forward to serving as the University of Cyberjaya's Chancellor by bringing to light the importance that is healthcare education at the university level. In a world where humanity is becoming more educated and awareness of healthcare is at its peak, the basic barriers to healthcare remain to be lack of trained physicians, skilled workers, and experts in the field of healthcare. This is one of the main focus of mine in my role within the Technical Advisory Committee of Universal Health Coverage in the World Health Organization Western Pacific region, as I intend to align the medical education and training to the medical students at the university to hopefully make a big difference in the health system locally and of the Western Pacific member states. I'm also keenly aware that the university is home to more than just medical graduates. A majority of you this weekend may not be medical graduates, but in some way or another support the healthcare industry in the country. They are our nurses, our pharmacists, our biomedical technology engineers, our physiotherapists, our psychologists, and many more. I'd argue that even the university IT and business, as well as occupational safety and health graduates, will all eventually go towards ensuring that humanity stays safe and healthy through effective communications and implementation of technology. Suffice to say that I'm truly proud of each and every one of you today. I'm also committed to supporting diversity and inclusivity on campus. At least 20% of you today are international students, brave and adventurous individuals who have ventured outside of their comfort zone to stay in a foreign land to attain your university qualifications. Congratulations for not only graduating today, but also for navigating through trials and tribulations that are unique only to international students. I'm sure that after all this said and done, you have come out to be stronger and a better person because of it. As an institution that has tradition of nurturing the young minds of tomorrow, I hope to do my best to uphold and strengthen that tradition. Our graduates should not only be educated and skilled, but also imbued with a strong sense of ethics, compassion, and commitment to betterment of society. I hope that I will be able to be part of this journey that is the University of Cyberjaya. I look forward to engaging the students' body and hearing their aspirations and concerns. Your dreams and your ambitions are the driving force behind this university, and I will be here to support as best as I can. Let us embark on this journey together with hope, enthusiasm, and a shared commitment to the values and aspiration of the University of Cyberjaya. With your support and hard work, I am confident that we will achieve new milestones and continue to be a beacon of knowledge and progress. Once again, I'm deeply honored and thankful for this appointment, and I'm excited about the possibilities that lies ahead. Let us embrace the future with open hearts and open minds, and together we shall make a big difference in healthcare. I thank you.